Hello students, today we will learn about computer network. You know what is a computer network? A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resource shared today is connection to the internet, and other shared resources can include a printer or the files. Now we see the definition of computer networking. When two or more computers are connected together with the objective of communicating and sharing their data and devices with each other, then they are said to be networked. Such a computer setup is called a computer network. Now we see the characteristics of computer network. First is share resources from one computer to another. Second, create files and store them in one computer. Access those files from the other computers connected over the network. Now we see the list of hardware required to set up a computer network. First is network cables, second distributors, third router, fourth internal network cards, fifth external network cards, and last is universal serial bus, means USB. Next point is standalone computer. A computer that is not connected to any other computer is called a standalone computer. Here is two examples of standalone computers. First is computer in study room and second is computer in drawing room. One advantage of a standalone computer is damage control. Now we see the disadvantages of standalone computers. Standalone computers have drawbacks. First of all, standalone computers cannot exchange data. If one computer has to use the data on other computer, then data has to be physically carried to the other computer on some removable device like DVD, pen drive, removable hard disk, etc. Data transfers on standalone computer takes time and can get lost into transit. Standalone computers cannot access devices of other computers. If one computer has printer attached to it, then other computer cannot print on it. A simplest computer network can be created by connecting two computers and a wireless printer. In this network, any of these computers may print using the printer. In a large computer network, more than two computers are connected together to communicate and share their resources. Resources means file sharing and internet sharing. The internet is the largest network in the world. Thank you.